Today we're taking a closer look at the Philips Norelco Shaver Series 9000 Model S998785, a cutting-edge wet and dry foil razor that uses SenseIQ technology to deliver a personalized, pressure-sensing shave. With its sleek dark chrome finish and dynamic OLED display, this shaver aims to make every stroke smarter and smoother. Key features and specifications. The Series 9000 features 3 nanotech precision blades and Philips Contour Detect heads that flex 360 degrees to follow your facial curves. Its built-in pressure sensor lights up if you press too hard, so you avoid skin irritation, while SenseIQ technology adapts cutting power to your beard density. The vivid OLED display shows battery status, cleaning alerts, and personalized shaving guidance in real time. You get up to 60 minutes of cordless runtime on a 1-hour charge, plus a 5-minute quick charge, and full wet and dry capability lets you shave with foam or gel, even in the shower. The package includes a pop-up precision trimmer, smart click attachments, quick clean pod with 1 cartridge, charging stand, and travel pouch. Price. Right now, S-Prime price is about $189.99, down from its $199.99 list price, an attractive deal for a flagship shaver with all the bells and whistles. Pros and cons. On the plus side, users rave about its ultra-close, comfortable shave, intuitive OLED interface, and the peace of mind from the pressure sensor and cleaning pod system. On the downside, a few reviewers note the smart clean cartridges add to ongoing costs, and some experienced shavers find the shave slightly less aggressive than high-end rotary models. Customer review summary. With over 2,100 ratings averaging 4.5 out of 5 stars, buyers consistently praise the Series 9000's build quality, personalized shave guidance, and long battery life. A minority mention occasional head noise or cartridge expense, but most agree it outperforms many competitors in comfort and closeness. Should you buy it or not? If you want a technologically advanced, skin-friendly razor that adapts to your unique beard and offers wet or dry flexibility, the Philips Norelco Series 9000 S998785 is a top contender. However, if you're on a tight budget or prefer zero ongoing consumable costs, you might consider simpler models. For most users seeking premium performance and smart features, this shaver is definitely worth the investment.